Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to be working on this model's skin. She has a couple of blemishes, so I'm going to be working on that. Okay, so here it is, and I'm going to duplicate the picture. Control J, Command J for Mac. And then I'm going to make a transparent layer. And I'm using the healing tool. I'm going to go up to sample all the layers, because it's not going to work if I don't do all layers. I'm going to choose a piece of her skin where the pores are fine and her face is clear, and then I'm going to start working, just tapping away at the areas that I want to get rid of. So I'm going to sample from that nice piece of skin here, and you'll see as I work away, just tapping, not dragging it or anything, just tap tap tap. Now this can be quite boring and a bit monotonous, but it's worth it in the end. This is the quickest, best way to clear skin without changing the tones, the skin tones and the colour, changing only the pixels. Now I'm not going to go over the whole lot in great detail like I normally would, so you can take your time doing that yourself. Okay, we're just finishing up here now. You see how it doesn't change when I go to the darker area there? It's really cool. Let's go down here a little bit. I'm not going to bother doing her hands and everything. Okay, I think that's fine for now. You can work on it a bit longer. Remember what I said, just tap, 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 don't drag it along. Okay, so you can see in this top layer the adjustments that I've made to the retouching. So I'm going to press Command E and I'm going to merge that down, and then I'm going to duplicate that layer. Then I'm going to change it to vivid light, and then I'm going to invert it. Command I. Now I'm going to go here and I'm going to pick up the convert to a smart object. And smart object is fabulous, but I'm not going to go into that this tutorial here. So go up to filter and press Gaussian blur. Now because I inverted it, my blur is actually going to sharpen it. So concentrate on the little blue box instead of the sharpened grey image. And look at the skin and just look at the pores and play around with the slider until the blue pores there are to your liking. And that's pretty cool if you want to come out with a nice cool artistic image like that, but it's not what we're looking for right now. So play around with the sliders until, as I said, you can see the pores there in the blue square, and just until they're just barely visible and not totally blurred out, but smoother than what they were originally. And then press OK. There you go. Now you can see it's sharp there. Looks a bit weird, but that's okay. It's supposed to look that way. So I'm going to go to Filter, Other, and create a high pass. Now you see it disappear. Okay, just move this box over here, and I'm going to play around with the pixels down here on the slider. Set it, looking at the, not the grey screen now, you're going to be looking at the image here, and set it so that her eyes are not blurred and everything, but her skin still looks good. The higher your picture, the higher resolution your picture is, the bigger it is, then the more pixels you'll need to change on this. Just do it to your satisfaction. Put it at about 4.6 there. That's fine. Press OK. And now I'm adding a layer mask. I'm going to invert the layer mask. So I want it to be black, so I'm going to press Command I. And now I'm going to paint on it in white. You can make sure that the box there on the left, the colour is white. So I'm going to paint on her skin in the areas that I want to clear up. Just increase my brush size here. And whoops, I still have it on my healing brush. Okay, so I just need to go back over and change it. There we go. Just increase it in size and just brush away. You can change the opacity if you wish to. And it's up to you what way you're going to deal with this. And just brush around the areas that you're interested in clearing up and that you may have worked on before. Stay away from the contours of the mouth, the nose and the eyes. You don't want to blur the lines there because that would just look silly. Now, that's looking pretty good. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's do her eye here. Nice. Okay. So you can go here to the opacity slider. You can slide it up and down. And you can have it there. You can see the difference. And you can put it to whatever setting suits you. Now, if I go down and show you the original, you'll see the difference. There we go. After, before, after, before. There's before and after. Perfect. So that's how you do it. Right? So have fun and enjoy yourself. I hope it works out for you. Bye.